There was this one day I made the bad mistake of going to this tourist village. And I got there and it was such a shock because I'd been in this really beautiful, sensual landscape. And I got there and everyone was trying to sell me things. Anyway, I finally found a way out of this village. And I climbed this little hill and I could see out over the whole valley. And I could just feel my whole body softening. And I felt peaceful and happy. And it really made me realise how much being in nature teaches me about this very aware, quiet, happy place. I was trying to work out what it is in nature that does that. I feel natural surroundings have this kind of presence that's really unconditional. You don't have to be anything. You don't have to be anything. There's something really calming about that. A kind of stable force, a constant.